Hey guys, today we are making modak for Ganesh Chaturthi. For that, take 1 cup jaggery and add 1 teaspoon ghee in a pan. Heat it until it melts. Now add 2 teaspoon water and mix it. To that, add desiccated coconut and mix it well. Add cardamom powder and turn off the heat. Now in a bowl, take rice flour and add hot water and ghee to it. Mix it until it becomes soft. Now knead it for few minutes and rest the dough for 10 to 15 minutes. Take a small portion and roll it. Now take a modak mold and grease it with ghee. Place the rolled ball and spread it. Add the filling in the center and cover it. Now close the modak mold gently and remove the extra and make the modak. Place the prepared modak in a steamer and steam it on high for 10 to 12 minutes. Add the ghee and saffron and modak is ready. Try this recipe and wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganpati Bappa Moria.